powerful website you need to know about, part 7. So the first site I'm going to talk about is Bing Image Creator. So Bing Image Creator is going to help you create images and videos of your choice by giving it a prompt. You have 15 fast creations. After the 15, you can create a lot of images and videos, but then it's going to be generated slowly. So that's the first site. The second site is this, which is FreeThumbnails. So this is going to help you create thumbnails by just giving a prompt to an AI, and it's going to generate thumbnails like this. You can see these are nice thumbnails. You just need to hop on this site here, and then you create an account, and then you give it a prompt, and it's going to create a thumbnail like this for you. So the third site I'm going to talk about in the video is Resuma.ai. This is an AI that's going to help you build your resumes for job applications. You just need to upload your old resume you have on here. So just tap on this like this, and then upload your resume like this, and then you create your resume. It's going to generate everything newly, and it's going to make it look very much professional and nice. So that's it, and you can download it for free too as well. So that's it for the video. If you're new here, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. Peace.